Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cupcakes using your air fryer. First, gather all your ingredients and equipment, like cupcake liners and a small baking pan that fits your air fryer. Next, preheat your air fryer to 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. While it preheats, prepare your favorite cupcake batter, whether from scratch or a convenient box mix. This quick prep ensures a smooth baking process. Now it's time to fill your cupcake liners. Make sure to fill them only about 2/3 full. This prevents them from overflowing as they bake. Carefully place the filled liners into your air fryer basket, ensuring there's enough space between each one for even cooking. Bake them for approximately 8 to 12 minutes. You can check for doneness by inserting a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean, they are ready. Once your cupcakes are perfectly baked, carefully remove them from the air fryer. It's crucial to let them cool completely before you even think about frosting. This usually takes at least 15 minutes. While they cool, you can prepare your favorite frosting, whether it's a homemade buttercream or a convenient store-bought option. Patience here ensures your frosting won't melt and slide off. Here are a few final tips for perfect air fryer cupcakes. First, avoid overcrowding the basket. Bake in smaller batches if needed to ensure even cooking. Remember that baking times can vary slightly depending on your specific air fryer model, so keep an eye on them. Finally, share and enjoy your delicious, perfectly baked air fryer cupcakes with friends and family. Happy baking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.